Welcome to Simple Adobe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. First, take screenshot where you want to disappear character. Open this screenshot in Photoshop and carefully remove the character and make sure the background fills properly. Now open this image in Premiere Pro and place it right after where you took the screenshot and adjust the duration where you want to reappear your character. Now click Picture and go to Effect Control. Click Stop Watch of Scale and Position on first frame, and go to last frame. Here you see difference between picture's position and original video. You have to match picture scale and position with first frame of video. Still, there is difference in light. To match light, add adjustment layer, and open Lumetri color and adjust color on adjustment layer. After this, nest these layers. Now you need smoke or explosion type video. You can download these type of videos from internet. Place this video right where character disappears and go to Effect Control. Change blend mode into screen and adjust position of smoke where character disappears and increase speed. This clip will finish in 0.10 seconds. Now add another smoke video and increase the speed and reset the position. Now copy upper layers and place right where character reappear and adjust position and scale.